Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a powerful tool to manifest anything you desire? Today, we're going to unveil Bob Proctor's secret phrase that can help you master the law of attraction and create the life you've always dreamed of. Get ready to unlock your manifestation potential as we dive into this transformative technique. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our manifestation tips and tricks. Let's get started. Bob Proctor is a renowned personal development expert, author, and speaker with extensive knowledge of the law of attraction. He gained recognition through his influential role in the hit documentary film The Secret, where he shared his profound insights on manifestation. Bob Proctor's journey led him to discover the power of our thoughts and beliefs in shaping our reality. He understood that by harmonizing our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our goals, we could attract our desires into our lives. Bob Proctor's teachings have profoundly impacted countless individuals, empowering them to transform their lives and achieve their dreams. If you're new to the concept of the law of attraction, let's briefly explain it. The law of attraction is a universal principle based on the belief that like attracts like. This principle suggests that by directing your focus and energy towards positive or negative thoughts, you can attract corresponding experiences and opportunities into your life. According to the law of attraction, every thought we have emits a vibration into the universe. These vibrations then attract similar vibrations, resulting in the manifestation of similar experiences in our lives. In simpler terms, your thoughts and beliefs create your reality. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, Bob Proctor's secret phrase. This simple yet transformative phrase has the power to manifest anything you want in your life. Are you ready? Here it is. I am so happy and grateful now that. The secret phrase acts as an affirmation, allowing you to clearly communicate to the universe your desires and intentions. By starting the phrase with, I am so happy and grateful now that, you program your subconscious mind to believe that your desired outcome has already occurred. This powerful shift in your vibration helps to attract the experiences and opportunities necessary to turn your desires into reality. Bob Proctor emphasizes the importance of using present tense while stating your desires. By adopting present tense, you align your energy with the reality of your desires rather than focusing on what is currently lacking in your life. Expressing gratitude and happiness as if your desires have already manifested amplifies the manifestation process, making it more potent. To give you a practical example, let's say you want to manifest a promotion at work. You can use Bob Proctor's secret phrase like this. I am so happy and grateful now that I have received a promotion at work. I'm excited about my new responsibilities and the increased salary that comes with it. The key to this practice is to genuinely feel the emotions of happiness and gratitude, as if your desired outcome has already happened. Visualize yourself in your new role, experiencing the joy and fulfillment that the promotion brings. By cultivating these emotions, you activate the law of attraction and align yourself with the frequency of your desires, attracting them into your reality. Let's talk more about emotions to make you understand it better. Emotions are intense feelings that arise from within you in response to various stimuli or experiences. They carry a powerful frequency that can influence your energy and vibrations, which in turn affect the energy you emit into the universe. Here's how emotions help in aligning consciousness with the universe and the manifestation process. Emotions such as joy, love, gratitude, and excitement are considered high vibrational states. When you experience these positive emotions, you raise your vibrational frequency, which helps you align with the higher frequencies of the universe. This alignment facilitates the manifestation of your desires. Emotions provide a powerful fuel that amplifies your focus and intention. When you infuse your desires with strong, positive emotions such as passion and enthusiasm, you send a clear signal to the universe about what you want to manifest. This focused intention helps attract the experiences, people, and opportunities aligned with your desires. Emotions can act as indicators of your alignment or misalignment with your desires. Negative emotions such as fear, doubt, and frustration can create resistance and block the manifestation process. Recognizing and releasing these negative emotions through practices like mindfulness, gratitude, and self-reflection helps you let go of resistance and allow the flow of positive energy necessary for manifestation. Emotions bridge the gap between your mind, body, and spirit. When your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions are harmoniously aligned, there is coherence within your being. This coherence enhances your ability to connect with the universal energy and manifest your desires more effortlessly. Consistency is crucial when using the secret phrase. Make it a daily practice to repeat your desired outcome using the phrase. Incorporate it into your morning routine, affirm it throughout the day, and revisit it before bed. The stronger your belief in the phrase and the more you can genuinely evoke the emotions associated with your desired outcome, the more powerful your manifestation process becomes. According to Bob Proctor, consistency and repetition help reprogram your subconscious mind, reinforcing your belief in the manifestation process. By consistently repeating the secret phrase, you train your mind to focus on the positive aspects of your desires, thereby enhancing the law of attraction's influence on your life. Belief is another pivotal aspect of manifesting your desires. You must have unwavering faith in the process, trusting that the universe will align with your intentions and deliver what you want. Doubt and disbelief can hinder the manifestation process, so it's crucial to cultivate a strong belief that your desires are inevitably making their way to you. In addition to using the secret phrase, Bob Proctor often emphasizes the power of visualization. Visualization entails creating a vivid mental image of your desired outcome and immersing yourself in that image using all your senses. By visualizing your desires with clarity and intensity, you strengthen the connection between your conscious and subconscious mind. Visualization plays an essential role in establishing a profound emotional connection with your desires. Feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude as if your desires have already materialized. The more detailed and vibrant your visualization, the more aligned you become with the frequency of what you want, magnetically drawing it into your reality. However, it's essential to understand that the law of attraction doesn't work through wishful thinking alone. Taking inspired action is a fundamental part of the manifestation process. When you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions, you create a powerful synergy that propels you towards your goals. And there you have it, Bob Proctor's secret phrase that can help you manifest anything you desire using the law of attraction. Remember to be consistent in using the secret phrase, maintain a strong belief in your desires, and evoke the emotions of already having what you want. Now is the time to start creating the life you've always envisioned. Bob Proctor's teachings have touched the lives of countless individuals, and by incorporating his secret phrase into your daily practice, you too can harness the remarkable power of the law of attraction. With unwavering belief, consistency in using the secret phrase, visualization, and inspired action, you possess the ability to attract and create the life you genuinely desire. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and stay blessed on your manifestation journey. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more valuable content coming your way.